Have you ever felt like someone's gaze could harm you beyond just staring? You may not realize it, but the influence of the evil eye might be impacting your life at this moment. Keep watching, and you'll uncover the hidden dangers of the evil eye and learn effective methods to shield yourself from its harmful effects. Malevolent forces are unseen energies that have the potential to affect our lives in negative ways. These forces can come in various forms, such as the evil eye or the influence of the devil. While they may not be visible to the naked eye, their impact can be profound and far-reaching. The concept of malevolent forces stems from the idea that there are energies in the world that seek to harm or disrupt the balance of our lives. Whether it's through envy-driven negativity from others or subconscious fears instilled by external influences, these forces can take hold and create havoc in our daily existence. The evil eye, for example, is a belief found in many cultures that someone can cause harm or misfortune to others simply by looking at them with envy or ill intentions. This gaze, whether intentional or not, is believed to possess negative energy that can bring about various troubles in the lives of those targeted. The influence of the devil is often seen as a malevolent force that seeks to lead individuals astray and sow seeds of discord and negativity. It's not necessarily a physical being, but rather a representation of the darker aspects of human nature and the spiritual realm. Understanding these malevolent forces is crucial because it allows us to recognize the potential sources of negativity in our lives. By acknowledging their existence, we can better prepare ourselves to deal with their effects and take steps to protect ourselves from their influence. Negative energy holds significant power over our well-being, influencing our thoughts, emotions, and actions in detrimental ways. It's like a dark cloud that hovers over us, casting shadows on our lives and clouding our judgment. This negative energy can stem from various sources, such as the evil eye or the envy of others, as well as our own internal struggles and insecurities. When we are surrounded by negative energy, it can seep into every aspect of our lives, leading to feelings of hopelessness, despair, and frustration. It can manifest as persistent negative thoughts, self-doubt, and a general sense of unease. This negativity can also affect our relationships, causing tension and conflict with those around us. Furthermore, negative energy can have tangible effects on our physical health, contributing to stress, anxiety, and even illness. It can drain us of our vitality and leave us feeling exhausted and depleted. In extreme cases, prolonged exposure to negative energy can even lead to depression and other serious mental health issues. Recognizing the power of negative energy is essential because it allows us to take proactive steps to mitigate its effects. By acknowledging its presence in our lives, we can begin to identify its sources and take measures to protect ourselves from its harmful influence. This may involve setting boundaries with negative individuals, practicing self-care, and cultivating a positive mindset. Recognizing signs and symptoms associated with malevolent forces like the evil eye is crucial for safeguarding our well-being. These signs may not always be obvious, but they can manifest in various ways, signaling that we are being affected by negative energy. One common sign of the evil eye's influence is sudden setbacks or obstacles that seem to come out of nowhere. It's like hitting a roadblock in our lives when everything was going smoothly. These setbacks may take the form of financial difficulties, health issues, or problems in our relationships. Another indication of the evil eye's presence is persistent negative thoughts or feelings of unease. We may find ourselves constantly worrying or feeling anxious without any apparent reason. These negative thoughts can spiral out of control, leading to a downward spiral of pessimism and despair. Additionally, feelings of stagnation or being stuck in a rut can be a sign that we are being affected by negative energy. It's like being trapped in a cycle of inertia, unable to move forward in our lives despite our best efforts. This stagnation can leave us feeling frustrated and powerless to change our circumstances. Trusting our intuition and paying attention to patterns in our lives is key to recognizing these signs and symptoms. Our intuition often serves as an early warning system, alerting us to potential dangers or threats to our well-being. By tuning into our intuition and observing how we feel in different situations, we can become more attuned to the subtle signals of negative energy. Protective measures against malevolent forces are essential for maintaining our well-being and safeguarding ourselves from their harmful effects. These measures encompass a range of practices, both traditional and psychological, aimed at repelling negative energy and restoring balance to our lives. One effective protective measure is to incorporate traditional practices such as wearing talismans or amulets believed to ward off the evil eye. These symbolic objects serve as physical barriers against negative energy, providing a sense of protection and security. Additionally, setting boundaries is crucial for protecting ourselves from malevolent influences. By establishing clear boundaries with negative individuals or situations, we can prevent their energy from infiltrating our lives and causing harm. This may involve limiting contact with toxic people or environments and prioritizing our own well-being. Cultivating a positive mindset is another powerful protective measure against malevolent forces. By focusing on gratitude, optimism, and self-love, we can create a barrier of positivity that repels negative energy. This involves reframing negative thoughts and beliefs into more empowering narratives and consciously choosing to focus on the good in our lives. Engaging in regular cleansing and purification rituals is also essential for clearing away negative energy and restoring balance to our lives. Practices such as smudging with sage, bathing in salt water, or engaging in prayer and meditation can help to cleanse our energetic field and remove any lingering negativity. Cleansing and purification practices play a crucial role in ridding ourselves of negative energy and restoring balance to our lives. These practices draw from various traditions and rituals aimed at cleansing our energetic field and releasing any stagnant or harmful energy that may be weighing us down. One commonly practiced method of cleansing is smudging, which involves burning sacred herbs like sage, cedar, or palo santo to purify the air and cleanse our energy. As the smoke rises, it is believed to carry away negative energy and leave behind a sense of clarity and renewal. Another effective cleansing technique is bathing in salt water, which has long been used for its purifying properties. By immersing ourselves in salt water, we can wash away any residual negativity and restore balance to our energy field. Adding essential oils or herbs to the bath can enhance its cleansing effects and promote relaxation and rejuvenation. Engaging in prayer and meditation is also a powerful way to cleanse and purify ourselves from negative energy. By connecting with our inner selves and the divine, we can release any negative thoughts or emotions that may be weighing us down and invite in a sense of peace and serenity. Cultivating positive energy serves as a powerful defense against malevolent forces, empowering us to maintain balance and resilience in the face of negativity. This involves actively nurturing a mindset of positivity and adopting practices that uplift and inspire us. One of the most effective ways to cultivate positive energy is through the practice of gratitude. By focusing on the blessings and abundance in our lives, we shift our perspective from scarcity to abundance and invite in more positivity. Keeping a gratitude journal or simply taking a few moments each day to reflect on what we are thankful for can have a profound impact on our overall well-being. Visualization is another powerful tool for cultivating positive energy. By envisioning our goals and dreams as already achieved, we create a powerful energetic vibration that draws positive experiences into our lives. Visualizing ourselves succeeding, thriving, and living our best lives helps to align our thoughts and actions with our desires, paving the way for manifestation. Affirmations are also a potent way to cultivate positive energy and reprogram our subconscious mind for success. By repeating positive affirmations such as, "I am worthy," "I am capable," and "I am deserving of abundance," we instill a sense of self-confidence and empowerment that repels negativity and attracts positive experiences. Surrounding ourselves with uplifting influences is crucial for maintaining positive energy. This may involve spending time with supportive friends and family members, engaging in activities that bring us joy and fulfillment, and consuming media that inspires and motivates us. Practicing self-care is another essential aspect of cultivating positive energy. By prioritizing our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being, we replenish our energy reserves and build resilience against external negativity. This may involve getting enough sleep, eating nourishing foods, exercising regularly, and engaging in activities that bring us joy and relaxation. Empowerment and liberation are the ultimate goals in our journey to protect ourselves from malevolent forces and live a life of positivity and fulfillment. It's about taking back control of our lives and breaking free from the chains of negativity that may have held us back. Empowerment begins with recognizing that we have the power to shape our own destinies. Despite the presence of malevolent forces or negative influences, we have the ability to choose how we respond and reclaim our sovereignty. By acknowledging our innate strength and resilience, we can cultivate a sense of empowerment that allows us to overcome any obstacle that comes our way. Liberation involves freeing ourselves from the grip of fear, doubt, and negativity. It's about releasing any attachments or limitations that may have kept us bound to unhealthy patterns or relationships. Through practices such as forgiveness, letting go, and self-love, we can break free from the past and step into a new paradigm of freedom and possibility. One of the keys to empowerment and liberation is embracing positivity and cultivating a mindset of abundance. By focusing on what we want to create in our lives rather than dwelling on what we fear, we can shift our energy and attract more positivity into our lives. This involves practicing gratitude, visualization, and affirmations to align ourselves with the energy of success and fulfillment. If you're still watching, I'd like to thank you for your attention. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more, please consider clicking the subscribe button. Your support is very appreciated. Feel free to share your experiences or thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for more insightful content.